This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making safety decisive. Unplug the unit and bleed the tank until the gauge reads 0 psi so you can work without hazard. Once done, check the oil sight glass and drain any old oil. This preserves pump life. Make sure hoses and connections are dry and finger tight, and visually inspect the pressure switch and safety valve. You need a few tools, wrenches, spare O-rings, and fresh oil so you can move into repairs without interruptions. Now you diagnose the fault. Use a multimeter to verify the pressure switch closes at cut-in and opens at cut-out. If it fails, replace it because it controls compressor cycles. Next, isolate leaks by applying soapy water to fittings and the check valve. Replace any hose or seal that bubbles. For the pump, change oil, clean or replace the intake filter, and torque fittings to spec. These steps restore airflow efficiency and prevent overheating, so the unit will recover normal pressure build cycles. To finish, you repressurize the tank slowly while watching gauges and listening for hissing or abnormal sounds. Stop and fix any leak immediately. Once at operating pressure, confirm the compressor holds pressure for 10-15 minutes to ensure check valve integrity. If you hear rattles or belt chirp, inspect pulleys and adjust belt tension. If the motor fails to start, test the start capacitor and thermal overload. Make sure wiring and ground are secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.